Hey, I'm Ryan from The Burnout Show, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the front windshield wipers on a 2008 Ford Explorer. Now, generally, this is gonna be pretty similar for many cars, but there are actually a couple different types of connectors for windshield wipers. So I'm gonna show you how to do it with this type, which, like I said, applies to many different cars, but specifically, I've got my 08 Explorer here. So the first step is going to be removing your old wipers. And now most wipers can actually lift up off of the windshield like that. So you should do that, just makes it a little bit easier to work on. And then right here, you can see the connector. Basically, the wiper arm just goes up and it wraps around the actual wiper itself. So what we need to do here is just pull the wiper down from out of the grip of the arm. So depending on how old your wipers are, they might be a little bit stuck on there, and sometimes they do actually have a button or a little clip that you need to press to get it off. But for these wipers, I literally just have to grab it and pull it straight down, and it just pops off. So once you've taken off your old wipers, you can go get your new ones. So once you grab your new wiper, basically it just goes on in the opposite way, where you just stick it up into the arm. The only thing you need to note is that you'll push it up and it might stop immediately, but it's actually not on all the way yet. You'll have to push it up even further and you'll hear a click. There'll be like an audible click. So right there, you gotta push it up again, just to make sure that it's actually locked into the wiper arm. And once you do that, you're good to put the wiper back down. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So like I said before, there are a couple different types of connectors for different cars, but this is the most common type of connector for windshield wipers. So generally you should be able to follow along with this tutorial. But if this didn't help you completely, you can make sure to leave a comment down below and we'll try to answer that as soon as we can. But that is gonna do it for this video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and definitely subscribe for more great tutorials and other fun extra stuff. But that's gonna do it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.